Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Shifa Fauzia Ramadhani. In this opportunity, I would like to tell you about one of technique in cooperative learning, that is inside-outside circle. Inside-outside is terrific cooperative learning strategy that really engages English language learner. In this technique, can give chance to all students to share information at the same time with different partners in a short time and in such structural way. The steps to implement this technique. First, split the class. Decide which half of the students will form the inside circle and which half will form the outside circle. Second, question. Put a question or statement on the board. Give students at least 10 seconds to think of an answer on their own. Third, share. Ask students in the inside circle to share their response with the classmate facing them in the outside circle. When they have done this, ask them to say pass, at which point their partners in the outside circle will share their responses. Fourth, rotate. On your signal, have the outside circle move one step to the left or to the right and discuss the same question with the new partners. And this is optional. Post a new question or give the new partners a different discussion point. What lesson is suitable with the technique? Use inside-outside circle at any point in the lesson to structure meaningful conversation. Like before introducing new material to begin a discussion or highlight key issue in the presentation to come, during a lesson to process important concepts before applying them in a group or independent work. After reading to discuss key concepts. Before an assessment to review information. Or as a way to practice solving problem with assistance from a partner. Which means these techniques could use in speaking, listening, reading, or grammar. Or I think it can use to another lesson because this is a sharing technique that can use to sharing another materials. The strange. First, this technique can improve students' skill in English, especially their skill in speaking and listening. Second, this technique can make the students improve their vocabulary and pronunciation and also to review the vocabulary terms. Third, this technique can make the student get different information at the same time on the material which is being taught. And then, this technique can make the students easier and fun in learning English. And the last, this technique can help the teacher to measure students' ability in speaking and listening in one time. The weakness. First, this technique needs a large classroom, so that the teacher will difficult to apply this technique if the classroom are too small. Second, this technique can make the teacher difficult in manage classroom activities. And the last, this technique is too long to do, so that the student become distracted in remembering the information which they have gathered from their friend. And for the last, I will give you some example of inside-outside circle.
If you're number one, make me a circle in right here. If you're number two, you'll be the outer circle. You'll have to remember your numbers. Maybe a different one this time. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1. If you are one, come make me a circle. Okay, hold hands. Make me a good circle. Number two, if you'll come behind a person, make me a circle. Make sure you're behind someone, please. Thank you. If you're circle number one, would you turn and face circle number two? Okay, do you have a partner?
Yes.
All right. Today we're going to be talking about money. I want you to tell your partner everything you know about money. You can tell them about the value of money. You can tell them the presidents that are on the money, identify the money. All right, you may begin.
You have 15 quarters to make $5.
All right, time. If you're circle number 1, raise your hand. All right. This time you're going to rotate, and you will keep rotating till I tell you to stop. You will rotate going around this way. Circle number 2, you'll stay still. Alexis, thank you. Ready? Rotate. Keep going. I haven't said stop yet. Okay, stop. Okay, look at your partner. Does everyone have a partner? Yes. Right now, I would like for you to tell this partner everything you know about money.
Okay, 15 quarters is $5. All right.
Overall, I think this technique is good for developing students' listening and speaking skill by sharing information each other, and the teacher doesn't need many items for doing this technique. I think that's all for me. Thank you for your attention. I'm sorry if I have a lot of mistakes. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.